Dito tayo ulit ngayon sa Possession Day, energy. But then, since it's Apple simple na, sa mga kapwa natin Filipino or anyone, kasi international naman tayo, di ba? So, sa mga nangangarap magkabahay na nag-give up na or they're doubting kung kaya ba, kung posible ba, di ba? With the challenges ngayon, anong words of inspiration? Ano yung message of encouragement natin sa
you can do it. It's possible. Nothing is impossible. Even the word impossible comes from I'm possible. Wow. So God will siyempre dasal din, of course, with the right amount of prayers, God will make a way and will provide people that will be an instrument sa dreams and aspirations, for us, lalo na sa atin mga Filipino and immigrants here who dream of having or owning a property. It's really possible. Huwag niyo pong bitawan yung dreams and aspirations, because that's why we live, and that's why we strive dito po sa Canada.
Galing. Sis Apple, anong message of encouragement sa mga nangangarap magkabahay?
Walang imposible kung talagang yun yung goal mo.
Tama.
Yes, kung may opportunity, i-take nyo lang iyon. Kasi minsan kasi pag pinapalampas natin yung opportunity, hindi na natin alam kung kailan ito darating. Sa case na namin as student and open work permit, na kaya namin. So, kung yung mga ibang Filipinos na andito, na matagal na. So, kung kinaya namin, alam namin na makakaya din ninyo na bumili ng property.
Yes. With the help of these people.
Yes!
So, dear friends, if you know someone who needs help to buy or sell a house or to invest, Chris and Alice, your favorite realtor and mortgage.
Yes!